Hey you guys, today I'll be unboxing this beautiful walnut I bought. This is 5/4 walnut and it's on sale right now, and I'm going to share with you where to get it from. Hey you guys, today I'll be unboxing this walnut I got. This is 5/4 walnut I got from Hardwoods of Tennessee. And they have some amazing sales right now. They still have some of that 5/4 cherry for only $3 a board foot. And the walnut is also on sale. I'm gonna open this. We'll see what it looks like. We'll talk about the prices. And if you are in need for some good quality lumber, I cannot recommend them enough. Really, really nice company. Really amazing dry quality wood. But without any further ado, let's just open this and see what they look like. Let's see here. Very, very nice. Look at that. Nice, dark, straight boards. We will take the moisture. I will get my moisture meter here. But let's first unbox this, guys. This one board does have a nut. It doesn't bother me. I can work around it. So that is the second board. There you go. Third board. And I will get a tape measure. We will measure the thickness of these boards. Wow, this is some really pretty grain on that one. Check it out. I think it's going to be really, really nice. Nice, thick 5/4 material. It's my favorite thickness when it comes to purchasing wood, because I can still resaw it and still get the 1/2 inch or close to 1/2 inch material that I can use for most of my projects, like tissue box cover, napkin holders, boxes, and so on. Nice straight boards. I only saw that one knot so far. Other than that, it looks pretty perfect. Let's open the second box. Nice, clean boards. Very minimum sap, almost none. Let me get a tape measure. What is the thickness of these boards? They are ripped on one side, and we get 1 inch and 1/16, so a little over an inch for the thickness. Very nice. I'll have to find room to store this, guys. I'm kind of running out of room in my shop. Either that or get to work. This one does have just a tiny little bit of sap, not a big deal. Other than that, a very nice, dark, clean. That was the second box. Let's open this one. All right, this one board on the top seems to be the one that has the most defects out of all. I will show it to you. This one has quite a few of small nuts. However, they are only on one side, the other side is completely clean. Next one, all clean and nice. Very, very happy. This one has a nut as well. But other than that, really, really nice straight boards. And 2 more boards in here. Oops, I just got the splinter. There you go, got it out. All right, let's take the moisture meter. Let's see here. On my trusted moisture meter. Let's see. For walnut, what do I set my thingy to? Black walnut 55. So let's do that really quick. It is on 55, perfect. So let's see what the moisture is on this walnut. 8.7. That one is 9.7. 8.7. Let's see this one. 8.6. 8.2. 8. 6.6. 7.4. All in all, a really dry wood. 7.5. Very, very nice dry wood. All in all, really happy with my purchase, and I cannot wait to start making some projects, so stay tuned for my future videos. We'll have some cool new projects coming up. I hope this was helpful to you and you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skylar Ewing, and I'll see you in my next video.